which I recently read also. It showed that those who know uh, a number of languages, at least five or more than five languages,
Mm-hmm.
they are less likely to get Alzheimer's as compared to control population who are knowing languages less than five.
Okay.
So it indirectly it suggests the same thing, which it confers the same thing which you told about the opinion of the other neurologist about
Mm-hmm.
learning new things.
Mm-hmm.
Because our brain, when a child is born,
Mm-hmm.
the number of nerve fibers in the brain at the time of birth, the number of fibers remain the same till the end of life. There is
Okay.
no
Okay.
new formation of brain cells or nerves,
Which is neurons.
neurons.
This
So
is very
new
interesting.
as we all know that we have a cut on our skin, the new skin forms, and it I mean, after
Heals.
few heals and after some time, you might not be able to find the scar also.
Yeah.
Similarly for liver,
Okay.
after liver resection, there are liver donors also. The liver regrows over the period
Okay.
of time.
Okay.
So most of our human body, the cells in human body, they grow, they increase in number.
Okay.
The same thing is not true for the central nervous system and brain.
Mm-hmm.
So there is no increase in number of nerve cells
Okay.
with age.
Okay.
But what happens is there is formation of new pathways by formation of new interconnections between the existing neurons.
तो आपका ये कहना है कि हमें नई भाषाओं को, नई चीजों को सीखते रहना चाहिए। कोई एक नया म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को कैसे बजाना वो सीख सकता है।
बिल्कुल
कोई गाना गाना सीख सकता है, कोई नई भाषा सीख सकता है, कोई पेंटिंग करना सीख सकता है। लेकिन कोई भी नई चीज जब हम सीखते हैं तो नए न्यूरल पाथवेज फॉर्म होते हैं और जिससे अल्जाइमर को रोका जा सकता है।
या रोका जा सकता है, या तो एटलीस्ट आई वुड से कि द स्पीड ऑफ प्रोग्रेशन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड.
Okay.
We
Okay, you
might
can
not be
halt the speed of progression.
yes